Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to strum on a ukulele. This will be a beginner tutorial with easy instructions, so let's get right into the video. Now, I myself am a beginner at the ukulele. I just started playing really recently, but the benefit to hearing these instructions from a beginner is that I'm going to give you a beginner standpoint. Pros are awesome, and people that have been playing for years are awesome, and they're great at giving advice, right? But the benefit to hearing this from a beginner is that I'm giving it to you from a beginner standpoint because I literally just learned this stuff relatively recently. Let's get right into the video. So strumming is easy. I'm not going to press on any of the notes or play any chords right now. I'm just going to show you how to strum. Essentially, your right hand is going to be doing the strumming, and what you want to do is you want to start with your thumb, and you're going to go from the top string, okay? And you're going to just basically glaze your finger over the strings down. Glaze your finger. I'm not sure which word I'm looking for there, but take your thumb, okay? And just like that. One smooth motion. And as you go down, you want to hit each of the strings. The top string, second from the top, third from the top, bottom string. Just like that. So literally you want to take your thumb and in one smooth motion, downward. Now you're probably not going to be playing like this. You're probably going to be playing like this. So essentially, just like that. And you want to start off by practicing like this. Nice and slowly. Okay? Just a very simple like quarter note beat. Then a little bit faster. And you're not going to be going hard. Not like that. No. Smooth, easy motion. The ukulele is supposed to be a calming instrument, right? A little bit faster. That's it. And then eventually, you just learn how to just, like, the less you touch the strings, the better it sounds. If you touch them aggressively, you can really hear the dinging. It doesn't sound that great. When you touch them lightly, it just sounds that much better. Okay? Very simple. And you can also go upward with your index finger. Not as commonly done, but you can go down with your thumb, upward with your index. Not as common with the index, but that's another way to strum. So I'm going down with the thumb, up with the index. Down with the thumb, up with the index. And then you can obviously play your chords. Just like that. Very simple chord. Very simple chord. Very, very simple. Sorry, I lost my train of thought there. Just like that. Very, very simple. Very, very easy to do. That's how to strum on a ukulele. I've shown you exactly how to do it. Your thumb in a smooth downward motion, and if you want to incorporate the index, upward like that. Together, they sound awesome. And that is it. Very, very easy to strum on a ukulele. I've shown you exactly how to do it in this video from a beginner perspective. And then you can incorporate whatever chords you want to incorporate into your ukulele playing once you know how to strum. But strumming is essential. You can finger pick, obviously. You can finger pick. There's different methods for finger picking. But strumming is basically a main part of playing the ukulele. So I figured I'd show you how to do it throughout this video. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.